Please subscribe my channel by clicking on subscribe button and hit a bell icon to get a quick notification about my channel. You will get tips and tricks related to computers and mobile, web designing course, technology related information and account lesson for SE student in my channel. Hello friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel and you are watching PHP series. Today in this lesson, we are going to learn about a super global variables. Super global variables means it is a predefined variable which can be accessed from everywhere in a program. You can access this variable either from class, functions and from any file without doing any special things. Mainly there are 9 types of super global variables. So they are globals, server, get, post, request, files, cookies, session and env, that is environment. These all are the types of super global variables. So today in this lesson we are going to learn only about globals and a server super global variables. Before starting our lesson, I would like to request you not to skip this video. Please watch it completely to understand clearly. Now firstly, we will understand about a $globals variable. This $globals is an array type because element is used in arrays form. To access the global variables, we can access it as same as like that of array, means providing an index. Now let's see practically how super globals, that is globals $global works as a array. Now in order to access the local variable inside the function, we use like $. For example, I have created a local variable that is x assigned with the value 25 and next variable y assigned with the value 75. So these two are local variables. So if we need to access this local variable inside a function, then at the time we'll create a function and we'll write global $x to access the variable x. But we can access this variable without writing a global word or a global keyword. How means by using a $globals variable. For that, I'll show you that $globals and x. I'll create a next variable z is equal to $globals x plus $globals y. Now echo dollar, I'll copy this and paste it over here. I'll close this and I'll call out the function add. Here it work as same as like that of an array. To add a new array or to add a new index in array, we use a index number. Automatically the index will be added. In the same way, in place of index, we will write a variable name. It will automatically create a global variables. Here, the value of x is assigned with 25 and it is stored under a globals x, and the value of y, which is assigned with the value 75, will store on globals y variables, and this global x and global y variable will be sum up and stored in a globals variable z we have created here, and it will print in our screen and we call out the function here. Now let's save this and see the result. What will be the result? If I refresh, our answer will be 100. So in this way, we can create a super global variables. As we already said that these super global variables can be called out either inside the function or outside the function or any files. So if I erase this and this too also, and if I save it and refresh the page, it will not show any error message. Let's change the value. If $y is assigned with the value 95 and it's 25, then our answer must be 120. Let's save it and refresh the page. You will see 120. So in this way, this $globals is a super global variable which can be used either inside the function or outside the function or in a class or any files. Now we'll see about $_server super global variables. Or $_server is a PHP super global variables which can hold information about headers, path, and script location. It means it is a variable which helps us to get the user information like IP address, country, browser information, or about near server from your location. To make it more clear, I will explain with the help of example. For example, sometime we may browse e-commerce site and search something but we did not buy that product. How they will know that we are searching continuously about the same product and you are in need of it? We will get notification. All these data are taken from the server. Here we are going to learn some methods to understand a server. So they are $_server HTTP host, $_server HTTP user agent, $_server remote ADDR address. So we are going to learn these three types of servers method. So firstly, we'll look after $_server HTTP host. What it will show us. Just I will copy this and I would like to echo it over here. Now here it worked as same as like that of array, and it's a kind of array where we have passed the element HTTP host as an argument. This $_server is an array and this HTTP host is an element, and we have passed it as an argument over here. $_server HTTP host is used to know the host name. By default, it will show a local host in my cases because I have not published it in a server, so I have used it as a local server, so it shows the result as a local host. Let's save this and refresh the page. You will see local host. Now in the same way, I'll use a BR tag over here to break down the line. I'll use a $_server HTTP user underscore agent. So this HTTP under user underscore agent is used, or it is used to show or to know the user browser's detail, from which browser the user is surfing the net or our page. So right now I'll save this and I'll refresh the page and let's see the result from which browser I am using and which version. If I refresh this page, it says that Mozilla 5.0. Now I am using Chrome 63.0.23921 Safari. this one. These are the details of the browsers that we are browsing right now, who I am using. This is the details of my browsers. Like the same way, let's learn about $_server remote address. Let me use beer tag over here. This remote address helps to return the IP address of the user from where is viewing the current page. Right now in my cases, it will show a default value, that is 127.0.01, or it may, in some cases it will show that colon colon and 1. So let's save this and refresh the page, and we'll see our result. It detect that colon colon and 1. So this is not an error. Okay, this colon colon work as same as like that of 1 to 7. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have got any queries, please comment me in a comment box. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, and if you are a new viewers, please subscribe my channel and hit a bell icon to get a quick notification. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.